Assalamu Alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrali sadri wa yassirli amri wahlul udatan min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilma. My name is Sadaf Yusuf, and I have been linked with the teaching profession for the past 20 plus years, teaching computer science to the O-level students and the A-levels also. Today, I'm going to discuss with you the syllabus content and the assessment of A-levels computer science. The syllabus code is 9618. The very first thing that you all need to know is the assessment. For the students who are planning to offer computer science, you have to appear in two papers in AS level, papers 1 and 2. Paper 1 is Theory Fundamentals. The paper is of 1 hour 30 minutes duration, 75 marks paper. For this, you have to study sections 1 to 8 of the syllabus content thoroughly. Paper 1 is a written paper. It's externally assessed, and candidates answer all the questions. Its weightage is 50% of the AS level and 25% of the A level. No calculators are permitted in paper 1, which is Theory Fundamentals. For paper 2, Fundamental Problem Solving and Programming Skills, the paper is of 2 hours duration. It's also a 75 marks paper. Paper 2 will assess sections 9 to 12 of the syllabus content. Candidates will need to write answers in pseudocode. And I think you all know how to write pseudocode as well. It's basically a written paper. It's externally assessed. Candidates have to answer all the questions. Its weightage is 50% of the AS level and 25% of the A level. After papers 1 and 2, then the students, when they move to A level or A2, then they have to appear in two more papers, papers 3 and 4. Paper 3 is Advanced Theory. It's again of 1 hour 30 minutes duration, 75 marks paper. For paper 3, students have to study sections 13 to 20 of the syllabus content very thoroughly. Paper 3 is also a written paper. It's externally assessed. Candidates have to answer all the questions, and its weightage is 25% of the A level. Now come paper 4, that is practical. This paper is of 2.5 hours duration, 75 marks paper. Paper 4 will assess sections 19 and 20 of the syllabus content, except for low-level and declarative programming, which you have to definitely prepare for paper 3, but not for paper 4. Candidates will submit complete program code and evidence of testing. So whichever tasks are given to you in your paper 4, you have to write complete code of the tasks, and you have to show the evidence of the testing also, that whether your task is working properly or not. Candidates are required to use either Java, that is the console mode, Visual Basic, again console mode, or Python console mode programming languages. So you need to be well versed with any one programming language so that you can do well in your paper 4. Paper 4 is also externally assessed. Candidates have to answer all the questions on a computer without the internet and email. Be clear, you have to sit in front of the computer system. You have to be well versed with the programming language and design a working program based on the above mentioned languages like Java, Visual Basic, or Python. Paper 4 is 25% of the A level. Now, what the syllabus contents are. For paper 1, the students have to study information representation, communication, hardware, processor fundamentals, system software, security, privacy and data integrity, ethics and ownership, and lastly, databases. For paper 2, the syllabus contents are algorithm design and problem solving, data types and structures, programming, and software development. The details of this will be discussed, inshallah, when the whole syllabus will be discussed with you people for each topic. But right now, just the overview of the syllabus contents of paper 1 and paper 2 are discussed with you. After that, the students move to the second level, that is A level, and then they have to prepare paper 3, and the syllabus contents are the topic number 13, or chapter 13 is data representation, communication and internet technologies, hardware and virtual machines, system software, security, AI, artificial intelligence. Chapter number 19 and 20 are again, you have to study for paper 3 as well as for paper 4. Chapter number 19 is computational thinking and problem solving, and 20th one is further programming. For paper 4, the students have to again thoroughly prepare chapters 19 and 20, which are computational thinking and problem solving, and chapter number 20, further programming, except for low-level and declarative programming. Students or candidates are supposed to submit the complete program code and evidence of testing. The students are supposed to use either Java, Visual Basic, or Python console mode programming languages. The prescribed books, the ones that students can refer to in order to prepare well for the papers, are mentioned here. One is by David Watson and Helen Williams, and the other one is by Sylvia Langfield and Dave Duddle. So whichever book you are okay with, you can have access to that book and prepare yourself for the papers. Jazakallah khairan kasira for being a part of the learning journey. If you liked my videos, if you have, do subscribe my channel, share with your friends and family so that they all are going to benefit from it. Stay tuned, subscribe the channel so that you are getting the latest updates, and do not forget to join my community. The link is given below so that you are getting the latest updates of all the videos that are uploaded. Allah Hafiz.